A man once stole a commercial airplane and was never found. It was November 24th, 1971. A quiet man boarded a flight in the United States. He wore a business suit, he ordered a drink, he looked completely ordinary, then he handed a note to a flight attendant. At first she ignored it. She thought it was a phone number. It was not a phone number. The note said he had a bomb. He demanded $200,000 in cash and 4 parachutes. The FBI got involved. The plane landed. The passengers were released. Then the plane took off again. Only the crew and the hijacker remained. Somewhere over the wilderness, he opened the rear stairs. He grabbed the money. He put on a parachute and jumped into the freezing night. No body was ever found. No confirmed sighting ever happened. And more than 50 years later, nobody knows what happened to him. Did he survive the jump or disappear forever? What's your theory? Tell me in comments.